Hello, I'm Shubham. In today's video, we're going to tackle a critical security and configuration topic that is allowed origins. We'll show you how to set them up for your projects. So, what exactly is an allowed origin? Think of it as a security guard for your components. It is simply the domain or domains, like https://yourwebsite.com, where your components are permitted to load and run. It's a key security feature designed to prevent unauthorized websites from embedding or triggering your workspaces. The importance of this is twofold. First, it protects your valuable PLG OS assets from being misused on unapproved domains. Another is, it helps you avoid common technical issues, specifically CORS, ensuring your components load seamlessly. Now let's see how to configure it. From your dashboard, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. From the menu, select the Workspace Details tab. Now scroll down to the Developer section. On the right side, you'll find the field labeled Allowed Origins. This is where you'll input the valid domain. It's crucial to enter the full domain. For example, if you want your components to run on your live website, you would enter https://yourwebsite.com. You can add multiple domains if needed, then click the Save button to apply the changes, and that's it. By taking a few moments to set your allowed origins, you've added a vital layer of security. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.